Good morning, class. Grade 12 Entrepreneurship. Today we are going to understand about ERM, that is Employee Relationship Management. How important or crucial is an employee according to you? Employee is that component of a stakeholder who is always inside. He's an insider who is always aware of all the internal and external factors associated with your business. So you can't underestimate the significance and importance of employee. First thing, if your employee doesn't use your product, then what is the point you convince your customer? Right? He is your first customer as well. Yes or no? So here comes the factors that are associated with effective employee relationship management. What's employee relationship management then? Employee relationship management is a process that, where the companies use effectively to manage all the interactions with the employee. If the company is effectively managing all the interactions with customers, it is called CRM. But if the company is able to manage all the relationship with the employees, it is referred to as ERM. If the same interactions it is using to manage the customer, it is called CRM. The human resource department, that is the HR department, plays a very critical role in the process of maintaining or coordinating the employee relationships, both in terms of training and coaching the managers and executives on how to establish standards and nurture the relationship with employees, and in measuring and monitoring those relationships to determine whether the objectives are met. You have to nurture them, you have to foster them, right? There is a great difference. Now, factors that lead to the effective employee relationship management. Factors that lead to effective employee relationship management. So, let's see the factors that lead to effective employee relationship management. Now, identifying the objectives, determining the needs of employees, balancing the work and life needs, open and honest communication, measuring and monitoring the results, and relationships that are very much interpersonal. Right? We will move into one by one all of them. So, employee relationship management should be something like this. Your diagram should be something like this, students. Right? This is how an happy employee looks like. Inside an office, you may find that most of the times, particularly in banks and corporate sectors, people don't smile. They're always in a stress. They are always having a target to be finished. But this is how a good employee should work. Right? Identifying the objective. Employee relationship management is a generalized term that means a lot of different things inside it. It's very important that what is the meaning of it, that you should know what is the meaning of ERM. Specifically, what areas of the relationship has to be managed. That is very important, student. Which area of relationship you are planning to manage? For most companies, ERM is centers around like attracting the employees, retaining the employees. Common measures of effectiveness of these relationships include time to hire, the turnover, and employee satisfaction. All these things are very important. So for most companies, relationship management centers around, many of the companies have specific HR policies laid down for attracting and retaining the employees. Right? Determining the needs. It is not enough to assume that the company or even its HR professional know what is important. आप assume मत करो. Try to interact. Needs vary greatly depending upon the employee characteristics, their age, their gender, as well as the type of the job that is being performed. It is a good idea to find out directly from the employees, interact with them, try to find out their needs, their wants, and then try to set up. This can be done on one-to-one conversations that take place informally, that is during the lunch time, during the break time, during the office picnics, during the formal employee evaluation meetings, through surveys. You can simply type in a Microsoft form and ask them to fill the form. During their leisure, polls can be taken. You can managers at their team levels can determine what their needs are and try to fix those problems. Right? Balancing work and life. During corona, I am telling you, this is not happening at all anywhere in any field. There is a widespread recognition in 21st century that ERM should be, requires considerations of the whole employee. That means you should make sure that the employee's work life needs are well balanced. fantastic day.